Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Learn Center. I'm Jake, the Customer Success Manager with Nova, and today we're going to be looking at Nova's video feature. The first thing we'll go over is uploading our MP4 and SRT file. We'll then look at various views within our project. We'll then touch on more options and disabling various views while turning on our 3D mode. Last but not least, we'll go over exporting and deleting data. So nonetheless, let's jump right in.
When we enter into our project, we'll select on Create, then Video. From here, we can change our layer name. I've put in Video Flight Demo, and beneath that, we have Upload Video. We need to import an MP4 and SRT. When we choose these files, we can take them off of our SD card, and then we can select Open. From here, the check marks will make sure that we have both files. Below that, we have upload size, date created, and the date and time. We can now play the video before we upload to Nova to embed within it. Once we confirm that that is the correct video, we can then select on the X and then select on Upload. Once uploading is done, we can select back and you'll see that your video is embedded within Nova.
Now we'll look at the 3 different ways we can view our video within Nova. By selecting our layer within the Layers panel, we'll have a small icon. This will bring up our minimized view. The second way is by selecting on the layer and clicking on Play Video. The last way is by simply clicking on the icon to bring up that minimized view. If we hover our cursor over top of our video, we can enter into a full screen view. We can also select on the 3 dots to download our video, adjust the playback speed, or play picture-in-picture. The reason this is so beneficial is you can look at various things within Nova as your video continues to play. For this, I've used a panorama example. Now we'll take a look at disabling our various visibility options as well as entering into a 3D view. Within the minimized view, I can select on more options. This is where you're going to see the visibility layers. From here, I can disable my crosshairs, my flight path, my field of view, and my drone icon if need be. We can also adjust our video quality with the 3 tabs at the very bottom. In the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see 3D, and once I enter into a 3D mode, you can see your drone as it's flying through the air from a 3D view. Now we'll go over exporting our MP4 and flight path data, as well as deleting the layer itself. By selecting on my layer within my Layers panel, my Inspector panel will appear. By clicking on Data, then Export, this is where we can extract our MP4 or our SRT or KML based off our flight path. From here, all I have to do is select Download, and if I want to delete the layer, I can select on Delete in the bottom right-hand corner and confirm that I want it deleted. That concludes everything within Nova's video feature. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to call, text me, or send me an email. But on behalf of Nova, I want to say thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.